Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable super dark mode on iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to your settings and then you should scroll down and see the option of display and brightness. Once done, you'll be able to see two options, light and dark. When you click on dark, you'll be able to see that all your screen and everything has become dark. Well, that is a basic option. The next thing that you can do is go back to your home screen, long press on any of the empty place, and then you'll be able to see all the apps wiggling. You're going to click on edit at the top left and then click on customize. After that, you'll be able to see a couple of options at the bottom, such as light, dark, automatic, and tinted. So you're going to click on dark and you'll be able to see all the apps have become dark. You can also click on the sun icon over here in order to adjust the brightness or darkness level. And you can click on automatic in order to sync it with your display settings. Apart from that, you can simply head over to settings and then click on accessibility, click on display and text size, scroll down and you'll be able to see reduce white point. Simply toggle this button on and you'll be able to see adjustment level. So you can simply adjust it according to your own choice about how much you want to reduce the white point. And just like that is how you can enable super dark mode on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.